kasalanan ko or may ginagawa akong mali. Sayang naman, punong-puno pa. Binili ko to. Hindi ko rin nagagamit kasi parang nagbabalat. So, let's try kung gaganda siya dahil nag-prep ako ng skin, nag-moisturize ako ng maigi. Kailan visit mo here sa Singapore? I don't know. I hope soon. I miss Singapore so much. I miss Hawker here. I'm gonna put a little Kiki Milk Hydro Grip. Let's try. Nasa Naga ka na po ba now? Yeah, kanina pang morning. Bawal mag-music dito, no, sa IG. Arabian makeup. Pag ako lang gagawa sa sarili ko, feeling ko hindi ko yun kaya ma-achieve. Hindi naman ako sobrang galing mag-makeup. M&M makeup lang. Yung mapagtsatsagaan lang. Oh, it's so sticky. San pong Naga? I'm so bad at geography and places. So, di ko alam kung... Ate Ami, alam mo ba kung nasaan tayo? Sa Naga? Hindi rin namin alam. Basta alam ko, pupunta kami Robinsons. Kasi, pumunta lang akong airport, tapos sumakay lang ako ng airplane. Tapos wala na. Kahit saan nyo na ako dalhin. Anong ginagamit niyo pag nagkikilay kayo? Ito, may tatry akong bago later. So, yung mga makeup, yung ibang makeup na gagamitin ko ngayon, mga bago kong delay yung iba. Tapos yung iba, new PR, like yung sa Lucky Beauty na eyebrow product. I will try it later. Tagal ko nang di nagme-makeup sa sarili ko. Parang marunong pa ba ako? Hindi ko na sure. Okay, so I've primed ang lagkit-lagkit. Siguro naman, carry na to. Ang lagkit. Malagkit siya nga. I haven't used this. Kasi naman, grip primer nga naman. Okay. Okay, so ganyan. It looks quite sticky. Bakit di ako kaganda pagkatapos ng mahabang biyahe? Kasi hindi naman mahaba yung biyahe ko. Kaya maganda pa. Pero pag mahabang biyahe, hindi na din. Don't worry, pantay-pantay lang tayo dito. You look so star good. Star good with clean girl makeup. I don't know what makeup look I wanna do tonight. Pero I'm so excited kasi I'm gonna watch Olivia Rodrigo. So, my friend and I were so lucky. Nakabili kami ng ticket. Although, ang layo ng seat. Upper box ata kami. Pero okay na yan. Pwede na yun. Hopefully, makabili pa ng... Ayoko bumili sa scalper. Bahala na. Hindi ko na rin alam. Anyway, let's go. I'm done with priming. So, first things first, I secured tickets for Mujige. Yeah! Thank you so much. When are you gonna watch? So, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I just, rehomed? Nilagay ko lang siya sa ibang container. Kasi, I had two. And then, alam kong expired naman na ata sila kasi sobrang tagal na. So, trinay ko. Iba na nga ang amoy. Huwag niyo akong gayahin. Pero pwede pa to. Ako lang naman ang gumagamit. So, yan. Pampa-glow. Pampa-gorgeous. Can I expect a Hong Kong vlog? No, you cannot. I'm sorry. I didn't really vlog for YouTube. I just took videos for reels. That's all. Our Hong Kong trip was honestly so exhausting, but so fun. Kasi we didn't go to Hong Kong naman just to a vacation. We really went there for work. So we filmed a music video for KD's song Be With You for the Hong Kong tourism. And it was a tiring shoot kasi syempre ang dami namin inikot. It was quite hot, but it was so fun. And I was so in the moment, in the zone. I barely took photos, which I am now regretting. Nakasecure ka ng tickets sa Olivia. Honestly, ako hindi. Hindi ako pinalad. Yung friend ko yung pinalad. Nag-queue ako, tapos nung check-out na, ayaw na din. Pero yung friend ko, pinalad siya. So, thank you. I love my friends. I love you, Pao. Thank you. So what am I putting on my face? What am I putting, you ask? This is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I don't think it's a foundation. I don't use it as a foundation. But it makes me feel pretty when I put it. Like, I feel immediately gorgeous when I have it on my face. Like, the glow is there. And yeah, I mean, maganda. Parang hindi na dull yung skin ko. So, ang hirap pala pag dito ako nagme-makeup kasi hindi ko nakikita, hindi ko pala nabe-blend ng maayos. KKK, and then we're going to color correct the under eyes. So this is Natasha Denona under eye corrector. So if there's one thing I love and hate about my face, that is my dark under eyes. Meron po ba yan sa Orange app? Which one? Which one ang meron sa Orange app? The Charlotte Tilbury or the color corrector? I love you so much, Alexa from Zamboanga. Thank you. I love you too. Jocelyn? I'm assuming that's a Jocelyn. At ilang days ka po nasa Naga? 1 lang, today lang. Uwi na rin kami tomorrow morning, if I'm not mistaken. What brand of makeup are you using? So there's not one specific brand. Different. I use different for concealer, foundation, whatever. Naka-braces ka? No. Labubo ko yung gusto ko naka-braces. Wala ka sa PBB later? Wala po. Sorry. Kasi nasa Nagami today. Rocket tayo today. I'm gonna use the sponge. This is my favorite sponge. It's from Lucky Beauty. And I'm just going to blend the under eye corrector. Please do pronounce my name. What's your name? We'll watch Mujige. Yay! Thank you so much. Yay! I'm so happy and I'm so excited. I hope you love it. Watching from Cebu. Thank you, Gracelyn. So, ayan. What song are you obsessed with at the moment? Sabrina Carpenter's album. Not a song, sorry. Ganda ng teeth mo, complete pa teeth mo. That's such a weird question to ask. But thank you. I have a great dentist. I love my dentist in SM Marikina. You should go there. Nasaan si KD? Grabe naman yung all caps. Para naman tinago ko si KD. Nag-work din siya. Magkaiba kami ng racket today. Watching from Spain. Ooh, I've always wanted to visit Spain. So this is why I have to start early with my makeup. It's almost 4 and I haven't done anything. Okay, next step. Foundation. Fundasyon. My favorite foundation. Hey, stop being so silly, Millie. Hello, Milson. How are you? You have perfect features. Grabe naman sa perfect. Hindi naman. But thank you so much. So, sana hindi ko madumihan yung top ko, no? Wala kasing bathrobe dito. Shout out, Ate Michelle. Maraming salamat sa iyong buhay. I love you and I miss you. Regina Teresita. Ay, hindi ko papansinin ito. Okay. Tagal ko na itong di nagagamit. Lumalapot na siya agad-agad. Pero this is my favorite. So, 2 pumps. Sobra-sobra na to. This is the Laura... this is the Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. Ang mahal na to, 3.5. Pero, worth it siya for me. Sobrang favorite ko to talaga. So, ayan. Sana hindi ko madumihan yung self ko. Si self, huwag nating dumihan. Shout out mamaya sa PBB. Oh, wala po ako later. Manipis lang siya, pero buildable naman siya. So, kung gusto mong kapalan, just add more. Pero ako kasi ayoko naman ng makapal na foundation. Konting bilis lex. Ay, hindi mo yan makukuha sa akin. Hindi nyo ako mapagmamadali. Alam nyo yan, mabagal ako mag-makeup. Super bagal, overload. So, ayan, i-blend lang natin. Do you eat rice pa? I eat shirataki rice. Pero kapag wala akong choice, like ito ngayon, nasa ibang lugar ako, wala naman akong baon na shirataki rice. So, kakain ako ng rice, pero konti lang. Shirataki rice talaga ang aking love of my life. As in, kung meron akong ipagpapasalamat sa Diyos gabi-gabi, yun ay nag-imbento siya ng shirataki rice. Thank you so much. Pero yung ulam ko, wala, kahit ano. Kung anong gusto ko. Pero syempre, iwas ako sa mga high and fat food, ganyan. Ang ganda nung foundation, oh. Wala lang, makinis lang. I love it. Napaka-natural na foundation mismo. Kaya I really, really, really like it. Watching from London. Oh, you're from London? It's nice to meet you. What's with that rice? Is it low carb? Yes, it is. If I'm not mistaken, it's made from a vegetable, a root vegetable, konjac. Konjac. I have no idea how to pronounce it. But yeah, that one. And 1 cup of that, let's say, has, this is not precise, but maybe like 40 calories compared to the normal white rice that has 200 plus calories, I guess. So, yeah. Pero, ang nipis ng mukha. Okay, ito din yun. Nagpapabelo din ako. Sobrang the best yung V-Contour Ultra ng Belo. As in, kahit hindi ako maging sponsored ng Belo, I will pay to get V-Contour done. It's a non-invasive treatment. And it changed the shape of my face. I love it. My face used to be very squarish. So, unti-unti ko na siyang nababago thanks to that injection. Injection lang siya, walang opera, walang downtime, nothing. It's the best. Okay, sorry. Mga 1 hour na ata akong Hi, Ate Fatima! How are you? Si Ate Fatima Beltran Couture. Siya gumawa ng mga ibang clothes ko dun sa concert at usually ibang mga sinusuot ko. Lalo na pag mga bedazzled or bejeweled, yan. Siya gumagawa nun. Okay, what's next after foundation? Shocks. Oh, I bought new blush-ons. I bought the Rhode. I gave in. Meron akong bagong favorite shop dito sa IG. Doon ako bumibili ng makeup. I will just search it and let you know. Makeup Cart PH. Makeup Cart PH. Sa kanila ako bumili na tong Rhode. Kasi ang mahal sa iba. Okay, next. Ano bang next? Brows, no? Brows, I guess. So, I got a package from Lucky Beauty. This is parang from their brow line kasi Blythe is known for having gorgeous eyebrows. So, I think it's just right that she comes out with brow products. Tsaka, yung isa sa pinakaunang sumikat sa Lucky Beauty is their brow grip, diba? So, I think this is a reformulated version. Shucks, di ko kasi dala yung box. So, this is the brow grip extra hold. Extra hold. Kasi mag-show ako today. So, dapat extra hold talaga. I just have to brush my brows first. Oh no, don't tell me I didn't bring. Oh no. Oh, here, I brought it. May ipis sa likod. May ipis ba ito? Gino-joke mo ko. Kung hindi multo ipis, ba't kayo ganyan? Okay. Pa-shout out po sa 1K mag-wow. Shout out. Okay, wow, this does look very gripping. Okay, let's try. I don't know how to use this. Hindi ko binasa yung nakalagay sa package. Pero, let's see. Quinoa, do you eat? I don't like quinoa. I used to eat it. Pero ayoko kasi sa quinoa. Pag nilagyan ng sabaw or may sabaw yung ulam, di na siya masarap. Momshies of KDLX are watching the block screening of Mujige at SM Megama. Oh, hope to see you there. I think you will. Paano ka po mag-apply ng blush? I'll show you guys later, but first, I'm gonna do the brows. Damn, malagkit nga siya. Whoa, okay. So, I don't do crazy things with my brows because I don't know how. Oh my God, ang lagkit nga. Sandali. Oh, wait. I think you have to be... Ay, hindi naman. Nabe-blend. Naayos naman siya. Boogs! Kita nyo yon? Damn. What? Look at the difference. That's crazy. I don't know if I like my brows super feathered though. But, whoa. Anyway. Let's do the other. Para pantay, syempre. Di pantay. Syempre po, hindi pantay. Kasi kabila pa lang po nalalagay ko. Patience, my child. Patience is a virtue. Ngayon, papantayin natin. Or I will do my best para pantayin. Roar. Wow! Anong height ni Jesus sa personal? Hindi ko po alam yung height niya. Let's ask his doctor. Charot. Pero feeling ko 6-footer kasi sobrang tangkad niya sa liit ko pang to. Okay, na-amaze ako. Hala, ang taas. Ay, oh my God. Si OA. Ang taas ng kilay, sandali. Masyado siyang umangat. Bababa ko lang ng slight kasi kumapal naman siya ng sobra. But, I don't know, is it supposed to be like this? I'm not good with my eyebrows. Ibaba ba dapat? Like, nipisan ba? Like, hindi ko alam. Miss Alexa, ano pa ba